This is our last video for our acid rain project. We hope that everybody learned how to take care of our planet. For making the acid rain, we need 5 elements: a bottle, lemon juice, shock, vinegar, and another hydroponic in another base. First, we are going to introduce the shack into the bottle. We are going to introduce the lemon juice into the butter. Then we introduce the same quantity of vinegar. Now we are going to see how the acid rain affects the hydroponics or other plants. We cannot see acid rain effects immediately. We have to wait a few days. We hope that everybody learned how to take care of our plant. So we're going to give you two tips. First, reduce the pollution. Use your bikes. 2. Save energy. Turn off the unnecessary lights.